Hello students, good evening everybody. In integration, we started exercise 8.8. Look at these problems. Integral e power x by 2 e power 2x plus 3 e power x plus 5. First let I equal to given integral as e power x by 2 e power 2x plus 3 e power x plus 5 dx. So for doing this problem, we should take e power x equal to t. So derivative e power x dx equal to dt. So we can write this as e power x dx means dt upon 2 e power, this is e power x t, no? So this will be t square plus 3t plus 5. So now I am going to make it as perfect square. Okay. So how do we write that? 1 by, take 2 common, t square plus 3 by 2t plus 5 by 2. Okay. dt. Okay. So write 1 by 2 aside, integral 1 by, so this I am going to write like this. First write t plus, as I told you, write the half of the coefficient of t. Here what is the coefficient of t? 3 by 2. Half of 3 by 2 is 3 by 4. Put whole square plus 5 by 2 as it is. I told you, if there is plus 3 by 4 or minus 3 by 4, minus 3 by 4 whole square should be subtracted. Hope it is clear? Whatever we have here, either plus 3 by 4 or minus 3 by 4, we have to subtract 3 by 4 whole square from the expression. That is the procedure I explained. 1 by t plus 3 by 4 whole square plus 5 by 2 minus 9 by 16 dt. So this will be 1 by 2 integral 1 by t plus 3 by 4 whole square. Here take LCM 16, 8 5s are 40 minus 9 dt. Right? So 1 by 2 integral 1 by t plus 3 by 4 whole square, 31, right? 31 means I can write that root 31 by 4 whole square dt. Make it as perfect square. Okay. So root 31 by 4 whole square. Now it looks like one standard integral, that is 1 by a square plus x square dx, that is 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. That is the standard integral. So if you apply this, we will get 1 by 2 times a value root 31 by 4. So 1 by root 31 by 4 tan inverse of x by a t plus 3 by 4 by root 31 by 4 plus c. Okay. So if you write this 2 1s 2 2s, this will be 2 by root 31 tan inverse of 4t plus 3 upon root 31 plus c. Take LCM and cancel the denominator. But as per our supposition, what is t here? Root 2 by root 31 tan inverse of 4 e power x plus 3 by root 31 plus c. Right? That is the final answer. Okay. So therefore integral e power x upon 2 e power 2x plus 3 e power x plus 5 dx equal to 2 by root 31 tan inverse of 4 e power x plus 3 by root 31 plus c. Right? Let us see the second question. So look at the second question. See the second question here. Hope it is clear. First question, that is the final answer. Second question, let me take one more assumption there. It is in terms of sin x. Here cos square x is there. So we have to change cos square x into sin square x by using first identity of trigonometry. So first I will take, let I equal to integral cos x by 6 plus 4 sin x minus cos square x dx. So here I am writing, first let me take cos x by 6 plus 4 sin x. Cos square x can be written as 1 minus sin square x. We can write like that. So integral cos x by 6 plus 4 sin x minus 1 plus sin square x dx. Okay, so integral cos x by sin square x plus 4 sin x 6 minus 1 plus 5 dx. So it is a quadratic expression in sin x. So let me take that sin x equal to t. Sin x equal to t. What is the derivative of sin x? Cos x dx. Sin x derivative cos x dx equal to dt. Cos x dx equal to dt. Okay. Cos x dx equal to dt. So integral cos x dx means we can write dt by t square plus 4t plus 5 d. Sorry. Now I will make this as perfect square. I told you the method how to make a perfect square. First write t. What is the coefficient of t here? 4. In that half we should write, that is 2 whole square plus 5 as it is. Whatever we have here, either plus 2 or minus 2, subtract 2 square from the expression. So integral dt by t plus 2 whole square plus 5 minus 4 plus 1. So it is also same form. Integral 1 by a square plus x square dx equal to 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. That is the, so 1 by a means 1 by 1 tan inverse of x by a plus c. So that is tan inverse of t means what is my supposition? Sin x plus 2 plus c. Therefore integral cos x by 6 plus 4 sin x minus cos square x dx equal to tan inverse of sin x plus 2 plus c. That is the end of solution. Hope it is clear. Thank you.